हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एंड आज हम कुछ सेंटेंसेस करेंगे जो कि सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में है। और स्ट्रक्चर जो प्रेजेंट टेंस का है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस एस और ई एस प्लस वी वन प्लस दी ऑब्जेक्ट। सो लेट्स डू सम exercises over it. The first one is Sarita go to office at 10 a.m. daily. Sarita is a singular in subject here, so it is written here go, so we have to replace it by goes to office at 10 a.m. daily. Second one देख लीजिए, she is again a singular subject over here. She has been cooking meal from 7 a.m. So instead of from, please replace it with since 7 a.m. सुबह से वो कुकिंग करती जा रही है. So next third one is Nisha is playing tabla for 2 hours. For 2 hours. यहाँ पर आपको क्या गलत दिख रहा है? Nisha is playing tabla. So यहाँ पर instead of is, please replace it with has been. Has been playing tabla for 2 hours. Now this is the correct sentence over here. Now next one is Ram have just come from college. Now again Ram is a singular subject here. You can take any subject, Rani, Ram, Ravi, anything. Ram have just come from college. So here Ram is a singular subject here. Instead of have, please replace it with have. Have has just come from has. Have is already written here, so we have to replace it by has just come from college. Now next one is they. They is a plural subject over here. They have been residing here since 4 years. So they have been residing here for 4 years. So instead of since, please replace it with for 4 years. So they goes to field at 5 a.m. So they again here is a plural subject over here. So here we are going to replace it with go. They go to field at 5 a.m. Now Ram do his work in time. Now यहाँ पर Ram again singular subject है, तो यहाँ पर आप लगाएंगे Ram does his work. Ram does his work in time, right? Now next one is he drink coffee in the morning. तो यहाँ पर again he is a singular subject here. He के साथ हम s और es लगाएंगे, तो यहाँ पर हम drink की जगह we have to add here s. He drinks coffee in the morning. Now next one is Mr. Sharma teaches us English grammar. जब मैं बोलती हूँ teaches is the correct pronunciation here, but in the spelling it is written over here teachs. तो यहाँ पर कहाँ गड़बड़ है? यहाँ पर. तो ये आपको change, replace it by es. Right? Now it has become correct. Now Mr. Sharma teaches us English grammar. Now last one is he flies kite on Sunday. So again he is a singular subject here. तो यहाँ पर हम fly FLYS की जगह FLIES लगाएंगे. FLIES लगाएंगे. Kite on Sunday. I hope you have understood this little corrections you have to do in the sentence, so that the sentence is right and accurate. If you have liked the video, please जरूर शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए and कमेंट कीजिए.